Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got some test results from this latest radio that IRONSNOW sent me. And what I did is I did a load test on the built-in two 18650 batteries. So I used, after charging these batteries up, I used this as a source. I have a little meter right here that will measure several things, and I'll tell you about them. And then here's a constant load that I can adjust how much current it is drawing. So I set this up to draw 1 amp. It's about what my cell phone draws when it needs to be charged. Then I let it run. And I had to pay very close attention because this meter, once it loses power from the source, it switches off and doesn't save its readings. So you got to be there to see when it's about to shut off, which this time I did. I put a piece of paper over the solar panel here so the radio wouldn't cheat and be charged by my lights in my room. So anyway, it ran for about a little over 2 hours, and it supplied 3,154 milliamp hours. Now, what it's rated at is 5,000. And of course, that will depend on the load. And I was using a constant 1 amp load. So that's what I got. I saw the voltage drop down from 5 volts down to 4.3, and then about the 3rd or 4th hour, it started dropping rapidly. And that's when I started watching it closely. It dropped down to 3.96. A minute later, it was 3.86. A minute later, it was 3.74. And it didn't make it to the next minute. So it was still capable of supplying some voltage, but not enough to keep this little meter on. So the meter shut off, which probably means also it wouldn't supply enough to charge anymore to charge your cell phone or whatever. So that's it. I want to thank IRONSNOW for sending me these radios to review. This is a pretty nice little emergency radio with those dual batteries, 18650, rated at 5,000 milliamp hours. I got 3154. Not bad. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.